You are not welcome here. How dare you violate the sanctuary of the Phantom? Stop, or your next step will be your last. Cruel sunlight. Anything but that. No, treacherous child. You shall pay for angering the Phantom.
Yeah, whatever. Now just stay put so I can come punch and unmask you. Okay, Phantom, it's time to find out who you really are. What? I totally guessed that.
You said it was Becky.
Okay, the jig is up, Phantom.
What? Why, I never! How dare you accuse me of being the rugged and romantic scoundrel that has thrilled and terrified audiences for years?
Yeah, I guess you're right. He's so agile and limber and thin. He could never be you.
Why, you... Of course it's me!
Well, it's time to hang up the cape, Tubbs, because your days of terrorizing the theater as the Phantom are over.
Maybe as the Phantom, but he's nothing compared to the full, destructive force of an angry critic!
How can I say this and still sound cool? Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me?
How about these? Ho, ho, ho! Yeah! Ow! Your fighting is weak, uninspired, and flat as a pancake. Your move... That light! I'll give you all good write-ups in the review if you kill that kid with the goggles! Ow!
Son of a...
Ow! You'll pay for that one, Spotlight! Take that, wretched regurgitator of the sun! Oh, your technique is bland, yet irritating. genius! Kill him! Get him! Ow! Ow! Ah, another spotlight. I thought I got them all. I'll give you what I gave your brother over there, huh? How do you like that? Not good enough. A terrible fighter, not up to the task at hand. Horrible hot beast. Kill him before he gets over here.
Hey, I'm going to...
Oh! What's the matter? Can't you take a little criticism? Ow! Ow! Ow!
And where would Gloria be without her muse? Her inner sunshine. The spirit of her youth. Played tonight, once again, by Bonita Solange. You better listen to me! You're no good! This place stinks! It's worse than ever before! Oh, I can't believe you call this theater! I can't even see it from down here, but I know it's bad! Can you hear me? Oh, you've got fat arms, you hear me? Big fat arms like a wrestler! And a little turkey gobble hanging from your neck! Ugh, your knees are ugly! And you snort when you laugh!
Handsome, the spotlight is all yours. I believe I shall happily retire while I'm still young.
Finally, recognition for my acting talents. What are you doing out here, Gloria?
I can't remember the last time I came out here at night. It's so beautiful, isn't it? These plants could use a little water, though. Now, where's that hose?
Attack! No, wait! Don't listen to him! Retreat! Shut up, you fool! The battle is ours! Wellington is on the run! This is our moment of glory!
Oh, shut up, you loon.
The battle can't be won! We're gonna lose it!
I'm afraid you lost it years ago, Fred. Now pipe down over there. I am the orderly, and I run a quiet, peaceful, insane asylum. Understood? Oh, now, see? You've disrupted Mr. Tagley's art therapy session.
Le jour de gloire est arrivé!
Whatever.
Oh.
Greetings, Dr. Loboto. Up to the secret laboratory, then, is it? One moment. You're not Dr. Loboto. My eyes may be half gone, but I would recognize the mad doctor anywhere. He's got that stone-cold face a man doesn't easily forget. He wears a beastly smock, covered in thick straps like an electric chair. And in the place where his hand should be, there's nothing but a gleaming metal claw. So if I'm not mistaken, you're not Dr. Loboto, you don't pay my salary, so kindly back away from my elevator and die. Thank you, sir.
better give Maloof's brain to Mikhail ASAP so we can protect it. How Chloe sneezed this one through that helmet, we'll never know.
Back on your horse, soldier! Tout de suite!
He used to be just an average loon. Didn't embarrass himself so much.
Marchez-vous!
Chops, what is up, eh?
Got him on the run now, eh, Bonaparte?
I'm surprised Milka's brain doesn't go invisible when I get close to it.
Les fire!
Excuse me, sir?
My name is Napoleon Bonaparte!
Oh,
Behind you,
excuse
General.
me. Mr. Bonaparte.
Shh! I only think I'm Napoleon Bonaparte. Do not listen to the weakling. He denies his lineage because he fears it.
I like your jacket. Very strappy.
You want it? You can have it. Just help me undo these buckles in the back and I'll...
What are you doing? The uniform of this army is sacred! We shall wear it proudly until the battle is over. Help me!